Okay, our bar design has materialized, and we have a finished two-tier bar here that I think turned out fantastic for the homeowners. Just go over what we did one more time here with this bar. And we started with an empty basement, and we took you through the framing of the 42-inch higher top, which was a 2x8 wall that we built. I'll show you how we built that. We have our lower section, the 36-inch cabinets behind here that we manufactured an ice maker up this end and a wine cooler down the other end with a 40-inch, I believe it was a 42-inch sink base, if I'm not mistaken. But we'll check the print here in a minute. I'm going to give you a complete material list for what I used to build this bar. We have our back bank of cabinets here that's 7 feet long. Those were two 3.5 foot cabinets back there. We have our toe kick that we built down underneath our 12-inch deep base cabinets that made our fake toe kick to give that wall cabinet a true base cabinet look. All right, we took stock 30-inch tall wall cabinets, built a base underneath of it, and recessed it back underneath 3 inches so we could get that toe kick look. We've got our upper cabinets with our glass doors. And we can turn the lights down here. You can see we've got the recessed lights inside the cabinets up in top that shine down through all the glass shelves, giving you that nice ambiance there on the back wall. We've got our tile backsplash in. We also have our under cabinet lights, which we have a little touch sensor right under here. We showed you how to install these in our kitchen series. You just hit that once, twice, 3 times for 3 different settings of lighting underneath the cabinets. And you can see without those lights, it's kind of dark underneath there. You know, we can accentuate the back of the bar nicely with those under cabinet lights and throw some real nice light down here on our 13-inch deep granite top. Down this end, we've got a true beverage refrigerator. See, it's got the digital readout down there right now. We're at 40 degrees. We built that into the wall underneath the steps. And it's a really nice beer refrigerator. I'd use it for beer or soda. Get about 5 or 6 cases of beer, soda in that refrigerator. And we've got our little mini wine cooler down here with the lights. And the homeowner's got a couple starter bottles going on in there. All right, that's got dual refrigeration on each side. Then we've got our ice maker up this end, which now is full of ice. We've got a double kitchen sink. We've got a gooseneck faucet here. 1-hole faucet, came up out of 1 hole. Hot and cold water, just by turning the top here. It's a 1-hole faucet with a sprayer. So we actually had 2 holes put in this granite top. And remember, we had all this templated and done by an outside solid surfacing contractor. We didn't do any of our own granite work. This was all done by the outside contractor, Classic Rock. We also did a matching 4-inch tall granite backsplash where we had to cut 2 rectangles in this backsplash to get our GFI outlet counter circuit in here. 2 outlets in there. And we ended up with a 19-inch deep top, which overhangs our 2x8 wall on the other side about 9 inches. All right, and this whole bar from start to finish was filmed so that you can do this project yourself. Now your bar is probably going to be a different size, might be a different shape, but if you're looking for the 2-tier bar look, you've got enough information in this series to build a bar like this one. All right, not exactly like it, but the principles that I used in the training videos can be used by you to build something very similar. You should be able to complete your project with what's in this bar series. Now, I did include my kitchen under cabinet lighting video, all right, where I show you how to put the touch sensor in and put these under cabinet puck lights. You can see them up there. They're just little pucks. I show you in that kitchen video how to do that, as well as my kitchen tile backsplash 2 video series to show you how to lay out your backsplash, set your tiles, and then grout your backsplash. That's included as well. As far as the electric goes for the GFI circuits, all of our switches over here our pennant lights, our recessed lights, and our in-cabinet lighting. You'll find all that information in this bar series package. I've included all the videos that you're going to need to put your lights in, wire all your switches, put your GFI circuits in, your counter backsplash here. I have another GFI behind here on the back top too, with a switched outlet in case the homeowners want to put a lighted beer sign up somewhere. But you've got all the material training that you need to complete a bar similar to this one in this series. And I think it turned out really nice, very contemporary. The black with the satin nickel finish bar rail and the electric insulator pennant lights really gave the bar a nice, clean, crisp, contemporary look. And the only thing missing now are the black bar stools, which the homeowner has on back order, which should be here sometime next week for the homeowners to start enjoying this bar. So if this is what you're after, a real honest-to-goodness wet bar with solid surfacing, bar rails, you know, wine coolers, ice makers, beer refrigerators, the whole works, this bar construction training video series is exactly what you need to get your project. And good luck with your bar project.